Hello students, standard 2nd, subject maths. Take out your workbook, page number 7. Today we will learn what roll, slide and stack. Roll, slide, that you know. Okay, what is roll? Object with round surface will rolls, isn't it? Yesterday I have told you in the previous video. Then objects with flat surface will slides. Okay, जिसका flat surface होता है that will slide. That this too you very well know in the previous video. I have explained you. Now what is the meaning of stack? Stack means what? If we are keeping one object upon another object, that is called stack. For example, see, if this is book, okay, one book, upon one book I am keeping another book. वन ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर हम दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट रखते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्टैक, लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टैक. एक के ऊपर एक हम रखते हैं कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्टैक. ओके, रोल, स्लाइड, स्टैक. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ सी हियर, दिस इज़ क्यूब. सो क्यूब विल रोल. वो रोल कर सकता है? नहीं कर सकता है. सो क्रॉस करना है. देन स्लाइड कर सकता है? येस, वो स्लाइड करेगा. सो टिक इट. और एक के ऊपर एक रख सकते हैं स्टैक को, दैट इज स्टैक. क्यूब को एक के ऊपर एक रख सकते हैं तो स्टैक. सो इट विल स्टैक ऑल्सो. सो पुट टिक. ओके, दिस इज क्यूबॉइड. सो क्यूबॉइड विल नॉट रोल. सो क्रॉस इट आउट. इट विल स्लाइड. इट विल ऑल्सो स्टैक. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? नाउ दिस इज व्हाट? Sphere will rolls, it will not slide, it will not stack. So जहाँ पे जो नहीं होता उसको क्रॉस करना है. Now this is cone. So cone will rolls, isn't it? It will also slide, it will not stack, but because यहाँ पे ऐसा, यहाँ पे उसका वो नहीं है, होल नहीं है. So it will not stack. इसके ऊपर एक रखेंगे तो गिर जाएगा. So it will not stack. Okay, now this is what? Cylinder. It will rolls, it will also slide or also stack. एक के ऊपर एक भी उसको रख सकते हैं. Now this is what? Pyramid. It will not roll, it will slide, it will not stack. So जो आप पे नहीं आता वहाँ पे cross it out. Understood what is the meaning of roll, slides and stack? Now here in the textbook one exercise is given on page number 12 and 13. This you have to do yourself. Okay, this exercise, put round around the object and put arrow on long objects. राउंड ऑब्जेक्ट को सर्कल करना है और लॉन्ग, दैट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू, है ना. एंड योर सी, दिस इज़ व्हाट? Tire will rolls, it will also slide, also stack. So put tick tick tick. Then this dholak will rolls, it will not slide, it will also not stack. So put cross. This is what? Button will rolls, it will slide, it will stack. Then pot, it will rolls, it will not slide, it will not stack. Okay, then this is a cone. It will rolls, it will not slide, it will stack. Then cards will not roll, it will slide, it will stack. Okay, this is carom. That is called carom. When we are playing carom, at that time we are using this type of keys. So this will roll, it will also slide, it will also stack. Bulb, it will rolls, it will not slide, it will not stack. Then this cuboid type bag will iron bag will not rolls, it will slide, it will stack. Then last tin here, it will rolls, it will not slide, it will not stack. Like this you have to do in the workbook, page number 13. 12 and 13 is your 12 is your homework, and 13 I have done. You also do what I have done. Thank you.